future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which organelle are bounded by two membranes? A. Ribosome, B. Lysosome, C. Mitochondria, and D. Nucleus. So the correct option is C. Mitochondria. The next MCQ is the inner membrane of mitochondria forms extensive and folding called A. Cresti, B. Lamella, C. Cisternae, and D. Bifida. So the correct option is A. Cresti. The next MCQ is functionally mesosomes can be compared with A. Ribosomes, B. Polysomes, C. Mitochondria, and D. Golgi bodies. So the correct option is C. Mitochondria. The next MCQ is organelle involved in aerobic respiration. A. Mitochondria, B. Plastid, C. Lysosome, and D. Ribosome. So the correct option is A. Mitochondria. The next MCQ is inner membrane of mitochondria is called A. Cisternae, B. Lemma, C. Cresti, and D. Tonoplast. So the correct option is C. Cresti. The next MCQ is which organelle is required for aerobic respiration? A. Plastids, B. Mitochondria, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, and D. Nucleus. So the correct option is B. Mitochondria. The next MCQ is the finger-like unfolding which are formed by inner membrane of mitochondria are called A. Matrix, B. Cresti, C. Porins, and D. Ribosomes. So the correct option is B. Mitochondria. Sorry, Cresti. The next MCQ is the structure and double membrane bond organelle primarily involved in ATP generation through cellular respiration is A. F1 particle, B. Metaplast, C. Mitochondria, and D. Ergotoplast. So the ergostoplast. So the correct option is A. F1 particles. The next MCQ is F0 and F1 particles is another name of A. ATP synthase, C. ATP synthase, C. Cytochrome complex, and D. None of these. So the correct option is B. ATP synthase. The next MCQ is nucleus is visible in A. Interphase, B. Metaphase, C. Mitotic phase, and D. Anaphase. So the correct option is A. Interphase. The next MCQ is which of the following organelle have a continuous connection with nuclear membrane? A. Golgi apparatus, B. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, C. Lysosomes, and D. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct option is B. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The next MCQ is it precisely describes the function of nuclei. A. Formation and breakdown of nuclear envelope. B. Formation of ribosomes. C. Formation of centromere, and D. Organizing of spindle during nuclear division. So the correct option is B. Formation of ribosome. The next MCQ is rRNA is actively synthesized in A. Lysosome, B. Nucleoplasm, C. Nucleolus, and D. Ribosome. So the correct option is C. Nucleolus. The next MCQ is how many nuclear pores are present a typical differentiated cell such as RBC? A. About 3000 per nucleus. B. About 1/2 per nucleus. C. About 30,000 per nucleus, and D. About 3 to 4 per nucleus. So the correct option is D. About 3 to 4 per nucleus. The next MCQ is ribosomal RNA is synthesized in A. Nucleolus, B. Golgi body, C. Peroxisome, and D. Nucleoplasm. So the correct option is A. Nucleolus. The next MCQ is the structure present in a eukaryotic cell but absent in prokaryotic cell is A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. DNA, and D. Cell surface membrane. So the correct option is A. Nucleus. The next MCQ is it makes nucleoli during interphase. A. Primary constriction, B. Secondary constriction, C. Centromere, and D. Telomeres. So the correct option is B. Secondary constriction. The next MCQ is which of the following statement is true? A. Prokaryotic cells are bigger than eukaryotic cells. B. Prokaryotic cells evolved before eukaryotic cells. C. Eukaryotic cells do not have a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells do. And D. Eukaryotic cells are simple. Prokaryotic cells are complex. So the correct option is B. Prokaryotic cell evolved before eukaryotic cell. The next MCQ is what is the main difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes? A. Prokaryotes cannot undergo cell division. B. Prokaryotes do not have internal membrane. C. Prokaryotes have no DNA. And D. Prokaryotes have no cytosol. So the correct option is B. Prokaryotes do not have internal membranes. The next MCQ is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells generally have which of the following features in common? A membrane bounded nucleus. B. A cell wall made up of cellulose. C. Presence of ribosome. And D. Linear genome. So the correct option is C. Presence of ribosome. The next MCQ is the distinguishing feature of prokaryote cell is its A. Chemical nature of DNA. B. Ribosomes. C. Cell wall. And D. Cytoplasmic streaming moment. So the correct option is C. Cell wall. The next MCQ is peptidoglycan armurine is a special distinctive feature of cell wall in A. Algae. B. Bacteria. C. Fungi. And D. Plants. So the correct option is B. Bacteria. The next MCQ is DNA molecules in prokaryotes is A. Single circular double stranded molecule not bounded by membrane. B. Double circular molecule. C. Linear double stranded molecule. And D. Single circular double stranded and membrane bound. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these mdcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.